What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix login and slowness problem in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Now guys, I'm going to make this very fast and very straightforward. So all you have to do, simply press the Windows key on your keyboard and press I as well. It will open up your settings here. Then on the lower left hand side, click on privacy and security. Then click on general. You want to ensure that the top 4 things here, as you can see here, you want to ensure that these are turned off. And you can pause the video and you can have a look at them. You just want to go ahead and turn these off. Then go back to privacy and security. Scroll down guys to where you have app permissions. And you see all of these applications guys, all of them. They're pretty straightforward. Whatever you don't need, simply go ahead, click on each one of them and turn them off. Right, so go ahead and go through the list guys. For example, using a gaming computer and computer for editing and you don't need the camera, you can click on it and you can simply turn it off just the same. Right, so for example, mine is an editing computer. I don't need camera, boom, I just turn that off. You go through the list. If you need a microphone, you can leave it on. Look at this, voice activation, notification, right? Contacts, calendars, phone calls. You can come here, you can turn them off guys. So go through the list, you will see them. They're pretty straightforward, pretty explanatory. If you don't need them, just simply come here and turn each and every one of them off that you don't need. And once you finish go through the list guys and turning them off, all you have to do, go ahead and restart your computer. I can guarantee you, after restarting your computer, you will see the massive difference that this will fix the issue for you. Thank you very much and see you next time.